Hey, what's up guys? Real quick before we get into this video here, I just want to say thank you guys so much for all the support we've had over this season. I wasn't quite sure how this whole YouTube thing was gonna play out, but it's been a phenomenal experience. And I know we've been a little slow on uploads the last few weeks, but with the season coming into an end, I had to get caught up on housework that I'd kind of let go from hunting every weekend. Again, thank you guys so much for everything, for the views, for the subscriptions, for the comments. It's been a great first season. It's been a pleasure making these videos for you guys. I've really enjoyed it, and I can't wait to see what the future brings. So stay tuned guys and enjoy this week's video. Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to another one. Today is the final day of pheasant season for us. It is Sunday, January 9th, 2022. Officially, the season ends tomorrow. Tomorrow's the final day, with Neyla being 11 years old. The last hunt of the last couple seasons have always been fairly emotional, just for the simple fact that, you know, we've got 9 to 10 months before the next season. Now, there's a lot that can happen to a dog her age within that 10-month span. You never know if this is going to be her last hunt or not. I really hope it's not. We're going to do our best to keep her in shape over the spring and the summertime. It seems like each hunt wears her a little bit more, takes a little bit longer to recover, so on and so forth. She's been a good girl. Yeah. So today's gonna be her day. I'm not gonna work them too much, just kind of let her do her thing and let her enjoy this last hunt this year. Are you ready? Are you ready to go hunting? Yeah, the tail's going nuts. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. Oh my gosh. Bad today. Hoping for a little bit better conditions today, being last hunt and all, but just gotta play what you're dealt. Good girl. Finding is that where there's one, there's a couple. So I'm just gonna stand here. I'm gonna let them work a little bit. It's a good girl. Let's go get some more. Oh, she just loves this. Absolutely loves it. A lone hen there. Here. Neyla. Neyla. Come here. Oh, come here. Sit. Sit. Hang on. Where you cut at? Hang on. hard. Girls here. Girls here. Oh. Now that one got up real low. I get the gun shouldered and heard another one get up right in front of me. And I realized it was a hen, so I had to kind of hold and wait for that hen to clear before I could take a shot at the rooster. And by then he was already sailing out, so that was a hard shot there. Good girls. Luna here. Good girls. My gosh, these things are sitting tight. Good Lord. Come here, girls. All right, we are in the spot here. Come here, girls. Girls, here. Holy crap. All hens. It is amazing how well they can blend in. Come on, girls. Whoa. Whoa. Here. 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 Come on, Nate. Good girl. Luna, here. Luna, here. Drop. Good girl. That is a good bird. Whoa, wait. Good looking bird there. I knew there was going to be one in here. It's an older bird. For sure. That is an older bird. Pretty bird though. Well, guys, that's a wrap on the 21-22 season. I really hope you guys have enjoyed tagging along with me on all the hunts that we've done. Not all of them made it to like a post-production deal, but most of them did. It's been pretty amazing to see the support that we've gotten though over this season. It's just awesome. All the views, all the subscribers, all the comments. It's really, it's kind of hit me right in the heartstrings. So, like I said, this was going to be a little bit of an emotional hunt for me, just because she's getting up there in age, and you know we don't know how much longer she's got in her, hunt-wise. Hopefully, we got a few more years with her. we never know if she's got another season in her until we hit that season. So hopefully we'll see her back out next year. If not, though, I really can't be too sad about it, because she's had a phenomenal career. Like I said, well over 6,000 birds flushed in her career over the 10 seasons. She's just been a phenomenal dog for me. An excellent hunter and an even better little companion. So she's been a good girl. But we're not going to keep getting all sad on things. It's been a great season for waterfowl and pheasant. Probably one of the best pheasant seasons I've had on public ground in Iowa here. We had a few days of limits. For the most part, we saw birds every single day. There was only a day or two where we didn't see anything. And aside from my horrible shooting, we got quite a few birds in the bag this year. We should have had a few more, but again, shooting was awful some days, like today. Either way, though, phenomenal season. Lots and lots of birds. Made a couple of new friends this year. Got some new people out for the first time, which I think they're pretty well hooked at this point. And it's just been a good year. We ventured quite a ways. We put a lot of miles on the truck, but it's been worth it, you know. Thank you guys so much for all the support. Thank you for all the views, the subscribers, the comments, everything. We're gonna go ahead and end this video with a little montage of our season. And as always, if you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you loved it, subscribe. And as always, we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching, guys.